Welcome to Money Matrix. Imagine sitting in a first-class seat, sipping vintage champagne for free. It sounds unbelievable, right? Today, I'm revealing how some travelers pay less for luxury than those in economy. This isn't about being rich, it's a strategy to unlock first class. First, let's clarify a mistake most people make. Many use credit cards for cashback rewards. They think earning 1 or 2% is great. But if you want first-class travel, cashback is a hindrance. To buy a $10,000 ticket with 2% cashback, you'd need to spend $500,000. That's unrealistic. Instead, that $10,000 ticket often costs only 80 to 100,000 airline miles. You can earn those miles by spending as little as $4,000 monthly. The key? Transferable points. They're the most valuable currency. Cards like American Express Platinum or Chase Sapphire let you move points to airlines, increasing their value significantly. Now, let's talk about the sign-up bonus. This is critical for your travel hacking journey. When you open a new card, banks lure you with bonuses of 60,000 up to 175,000 points. Open cards during peak offer times. Shift your routine expenses to maximize these bonuses. This way, you can amass enough points for trips without unnecessary spending. Next, don't make the common mistake of booking through a bank's travel portal. Their points are often capped at a lower value. Instead, utilize the one-to-one transfer. Move your points to airline partners like Emirates or Singapore Airlines. Check for transfer bonuses. Sometimes, a flight might require only 60,000 miles instead of 500,000. Keep an eye out for these sweet spots in airline charts to maximize your points. Now, let's tackle availability. Just because you have points doesn't mean seats are open. Airlines limit awards per flight. Use tools like Seats.aero or Point.me to find available first-class seats across airlines. Book about 350 days in advance to snag early releases or try within 14 days of departure for surprised openings. Date flexibility can increase your chances of free seats significantly. Flying for free is awesome, but make the most of your entire journey. Premium credit cards offer elite status and lounge access. While most wait at crowded gates, you could be enjoying high-class amenities in lounges. Some cards have perks that cover annual fees, like credits for global entry or TSA pre-check. This way, you're gaining more from your travel experience. In conclusion, the door to first class is wide open. You don't need a huge salary to feel luxurious in travel. Ditch that debit card and stop relying on cash back. Treat your credit cards like an investment. Start by checking your credit score and look for a high bonus card. Commit to this points strategy. Your first-class journey is waiting for you. Thank you for watching Money Matrix. Hit subscribe for more updates on travel hacks.